Good morning, everybody. So today I am going to probably one of the coolest car shows that I have the opportunity to go to every year. So in Boerne, Texas, which is just outside San Antonio, there is a car show every year called the Italian Motor Gathering, and it is obviously a bunch of Italian cars, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Fiats, whatever kind of Italian car you want. But some of the cars that show up are just simply awesome. For the last couple of years, I know at least a Ferrari F40 has shown up. Last year, a Ferrari Enzo showed up. Kind of odd because it wasn't Italian, but a Porsche Le Mans race car showed up, like an actual one that raced. Showed up last year as well. I think from the same collection as some of the other cars. So lots of cool cars. And what better way to spoil an Italian car show by, showing up in my C8 Corvette. So I'm on the way there now, and I'll show you all the cool cars once I get there. Let's go.
This piece right here on the pot is not chrome, but you can tell it makes sense.
By the way, I didn't add that music. That's literally playing in the background. This thing's clean.
No, there's several others. Are you a Ferrari owner or what?
It's Sky.
Okay. Did you do motorcycles?
Check this thing out. These are rare.
Take care, guys. Appreciate it.
Everyone, back in the back by the white tent, we're going to talk about a couple special cars. The first car, I'm going to hand it over to my friend Glenn.
I feel like I have to come over and see what's going on.
So this is a 1964 250 GT Lusso. So what makes this a Lusso? Lusso means luxury in Italian. So that designation for this particular car.
Huh?
Just to kind of show you through it a little bit. It's got the GTO.
I'll need you to move to the left one for because you're right over me.
Met Glenn, went on the car, talked about it, and they had to do a little life race.
Because I'm doing it for them, I'm giving them front colors.
And I asked him, what do you do? Shave off the metal? And he was like, are you crazy? We don't take anything off. So, we want to continue this. Super gracious for bringing this place out to all everything. We brought the 999. The last Italian event, they brought a race car. So, round of applause for the 64 Lusso.
Oh, you're good. I'm doing the same thing.
Ferrari racing. This car, this is a street car, and that's the street car. Ferrari built this car for one reason, and that's to win races. So, this was a very special car that we spent years trying to get out of the owner's garage. It's probably been in this garage for over a decade, collecting dust. He's allowed us to unveil the car to the public today. It's got a very colorful history. We were privileged to pull it out of the garage a week ago, clean it, and bring it here today. So, gentlemen, if you would. What a machine. So let's take a look at it. Let's get a little closer.
See all the Corvettes.
There's 6 cars.
6 of them? Let's hear it for the 62. Couldn't see us. Folks, for those of you
So they just unveiled a $50 to $80 million 62 Ferrari 250 GTO. All right, someone wants attention over on Main Street. Anyway, that's bananas. That's absolutely insane. I've never been in person that close to a car that worth that much money, so that's absolutely crazy. So it was definitely worth the trip today.
Want to buy one?
I have to Google that to see what exactly the shade is. Very similar. Yeah.
The center is yellow.
Check out this Lamborghini Austin brought what looks like just a living room, mobile living room. I hadn't seen a SF90 Stradale until today. Oh, there's two. I want to get a Urus as a daily driver. Can't afford it at all.
Well, yeah. So we bought that house. It's already cooked it, but okay. So we went shopping.
Check this back out.
Good afternoon,
That is
everyone.
killer.
Beautiful day out here. Finally starting to warm up. So kind of got me thinking about the weather. I started thinking about
All
getting in.
right, check out this license plate.
I'm over here with
Love
my
it,
good
love
friend
it, love
Henry.
it, love it.
These guys have been sponsors for us since the beginning. in with all of our different shows. So I'm going to hand it over to him. We're going to talk a little bit about heating in here, what they got new over at
The other technicians looked out.
All right, man, the best mid-engine Italian car here. It's actually parked in a parking lot across the street. Ooh, look at that thing. I mean, I'm not lying here. I know it's my car. That thing is killer looking. I just simply love this car every time I walk up to it. It is bananas. The car that they revealed today is a 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO, authentic, real. It's not a kit car, none of that BS. And I don't even know what they're called. I don't even know what they're valued at, but some guys were saying that they were valued anywhere between $50 to $80 million right now, which is that's just insane. I've never been near a car worth that much. I mean, even on the low end, $50 million. Like, it's just unbelievable, and it's just right there. Like, I could touch it. Someone would yell at me if I did, but I could have just touched it. So editing the video now, I realized I did not record this, but on the second pass to go check out the GTO, I was just walking by and I noticed there was damage to the front end of the car. Of course, I didn't do it and it was already there, but here's the video of it.
When you put a dent in your $50 million car.
Beautiful car show in Bernie is over, and I'm headed back home. Decided to take the top off because it is, I don't know, it's like 75 and just absolutely gorgeous today. Just nothing better than a day today to drive with the top down. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, it's incredible that we were able to see some really awesome cars, but surprising to see that 250 GTO. Again, it's worth, someone told me $50 to $80 million. Forgive me, I haven't looked up its actual value because I didn't know it was going to be there, but that's just bananas. So anyway, man, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and until next time, adios.